They're forcing Adam Cole away. Oh, Kyle O'Reilly's going back after Cole, forearm to the face, and Kyle O'Reilly not letting up. Samoa Joe is here. Joe is here. Back in the ring. Wait a second. What's this? Diamond Mine! Diamond Mine! Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is this? Oh my God, it's Roddy! Roderick Strong! Going after Kushida. Running knee! Roddy! The Diamond Mine is here. Who is with them though? Tyler Rust? Tyler Rust? Malcolm Bivens! Oh my God, is Bivens gonna be with the Diamond Mine? Malcolm Bivens with Roderick Strong! They want the Cruiserweight title! He is the Diamond Mine! I don't know who the other man is. Malcolm Bivens, Tyler Rust, Roderick Strong, and a dude who I don't know who he is. Yo, big angle in the Cruiserweight division. Yeah, man. All right, Roddy. Okay.